Imagine you're in the desert. You've been walking for hours. You're parched. You're sunburnt. What do you want?
Now that's what I call high-quality H2O.
Is it a bottle of water? Because I think there might be a different answer. Now, imagine you're at work and you've been there for hours and you're mentally exhausted. Maybe you're even physically drained. What do you want? Chances are the answer isn't more money or a bigger title. Chances are you want to go home. You want to get back to doing what you love in the world. And that's where employers are missing a huge opportunity to improve productivity within their ranks. Some companies have got it right. There's a company called Spar Marketing that does a very good job of this. But what if you found a way to give your employees a quantifiable set of tasks to do each day, and when they were done satisfactorily, or hopefully better, they can leave? See, in the desert, a bottle of water gets you to the next bottle of water. But what we really want is a helicopter to get us the hell out of the desert. And when it comes to productivity, sure, pay increases are great. Who doesn't love a pay increase? A new title, that may be a real motivator for some. But what most people want is to get the hell out of the office. So help them do that, and you'll see productivity skyrocket. Follow me for more tips.